I would like to start this vlog off by saying what great shame I have in all you people. Nobody's got the bennies back. None of you. And I'll show you why. Look at those brake shoes. Look at them. Look at that one. You see that? Now, ease on over. Look at that one. None of you out there could tell me that I put this brake shoe on backwards or wrong or flip side. What's the matter with you people? Every single one of you makes me absolutely sick. Welcome back. This is vlog number 2 on the 1968 Datsun 520 pickup restoration. Remember, always tune in Sunday for the full video. This is only a sneak preview on the progress I'm making this week. For those of you that don't know, I am the one and only infamous Kentucky Yankee, without a doubt, at your service. Sorry about the little fit I threw on you guys when I started this video up, but you know, you're not looking after me. You don't have my back. I mean, brake pads are on wrong. I could have got killed. You guys know I'm only joking with you. Let's get to work. I was able to get more parts painted, more front end parts, the gas tank, those drums were done before. Remember, we have a deadline of September the 15th, 2024. Rear end has been disassembled. There it is on the floor. There's the housing and the chunk. Remember, this is the body that's going onto the truck. We're not doing the body work by September 15th. Obviously, I could never pull that off, but this is the body that's going to go on it. And the reason I'm down here is because we have to drag this thing out now. Much earlier than I thought we were going to have to, because I'm needing some parts off of it. Kind of sucks because it rained a bunch last night, so it's muddy here, and the 2 back tires are flat. I was kind of snooping around this old truck too. This is a 521, and I noticed, check it out, it's got the original horns in there, and I think this is the only truck that has horns, so I hope they work. I wonder if they do. I am really wanting to see if I can get this truck engine running. Look there, I just noticed there's yellow paint on the distributor. Must be a junkyard distributor. Wonder what kind of shape this engine's in. I'm so curious. The old truck is back in the garage and on the lift, and I'm going to tell you right now, things did not go as planned. Notice what a filthy, sweaty mess I am, and you can use your imagination to figure out how this got drug in here, or you can tune in next Sunday. I've got it all on film. Now, why for the early retrieval of this truck? Like I said, I wasn't ready to pull it in just yet. It's because I think I'm going to use some parts off the rear end. Also, check that gas tank out. That looks pretty. There's a bad spot right there. I wonder if that gas tank's any good. Also, the front end, I just thought I could look and see how a couple things went together and make it quicker. Since I had to bring it in here anyway for the parts for the rear end, look here, I don't think I have that. Maybe I do for the parking brake, not sure, but that's why I brought it in here. And again, for the millionth time, this is the body that's going on to that chassis over there anyway, so I guess we needed to bring it in now. Now was the time. That's your sneak preview vlog video for this week, and I hope you will tune in Sunday and watch the full video. Don't forget to hit the stupid like button for old stupid YouTube. Subscribe if you hadn't already. That way you get notifications. You can watch my videos, and always leave a comment. I do enjoy those. We'll see you next time, guys.